येन sorry यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्य नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रियै चामृताय च। एकनिमिषं कल्याणी श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय।
धन्यवादः। इदानीं तृतीय अभ्यासं प्रति गच्छामः। So the abhyasa is to pick the odd word out. So we have 10 questions. It is from not from Swarga Varga, it is from the other Varga, which is Kala Varga and probably Dig Varga. So Chandraha, Chandramaha, Indraha, Chandrika. Now those who want to answer, please lift your hand. I would request others also, those who are not participating, please participate in this. I will ask one minute. Vishalakshi, can you please answer certain questions? Vishalakshi.
Ram sir.
First question, can you answer?
Chandra, Chandramaha, Indraha, Chandrika. Chandrika, sir.
Why?
All these are Akaranta Pullinga. Chandrika is Akaranta Strilinga.
But Chandramaha enna irukku? Chandramaha
Bahuvachana. Bahuvachanam.
It is not Bahuvachanam. Chandramaha is Chandramaha, Chandramasau, Chandramasaha.
Okay. Chandrama. Oh. Saka.
Sakaranta. Yes, you are right. Sakaranta it is.
Sakaranta. Okay.
So,
Chandrika. So, Kurutha. Chandraha, Chandramaha, Indraha, Chandrika. So, according to meaning, will it be Indraha, sir?
Indra. So, Indra according to meaning. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. If according to Linga, you want to check Chandrika is Strilinga, balance are all Pullinga. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Next one, okay, you want to tell any other question?
Sushama Jyotsna Chandrika. Sushama Sahasram Shubhram Shubha Sudham Shubha Nakshatra Fifth one, it is Bham, sir. Nakshatram. Sham, Thana are all nakshatra synonyms. Ruksham or Bham, I doubt, sir. Bham.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. I will see if others are to tell. Sriram Karunagaran.
Namaskar Mahodaya. Tatra Shubhramshuhu, Sudhamshuhu, Himamshuhu iti Chandrasya पर्यायपदानि इति अहं चिन्तयामि।
तर्हि किमपि पृथक् पदम् अस्ति वा?
सहस्रांशुः इति अस्ति, तदेव पृथक् भवितुम्।
सहस्रांशुः इत्युक्ते कः?
सूर्यः इति चिन्तयामि।
सूर्यः.
सूर्य.
Excellent. Sahasramshu is Surya, Subramshu, Sudhamshu, Himamshu is Chandra. Very good. Next.
Chandrika Kaumadi Jyotsna iti Chandrika moonlight iti synonym. Shushuma Parama Shobha. Shobhayaha synonym Shushuma.
So Sushama is the odd word out. Okay.
Praliyam Mihika Himani Himasammatihi Sarvani Tatra Hima Shabda Himasya पर्यायपदानि तत्र मिहिका हिमानि हिमसम्मतिः हिमानि इति नपुंसकलिङ्गं मिहिका हिमसम्मतिः इकारान्त अस्ति प्रालेयं नपुंसकं मिहिका इति स्त्रीलिङ्गम् अस्ति हिमानि हिमानि इति स्त्रीलिङ्गं हिमसम्मतिः प्रालेयं केवलं प्रालेयं नपुंसकलिङ्गं मिहिका स्त्रीलिङ्गं
So anything can
मिहिका
अस्तु अग्रे गच्छतु अग्रिमस्तु
मिहिका स्त्रीलिङ्गं शेष
we will go for the next one.
नक्षत्रं वृक्षं बं तारा नक्षत्रस्य पर्यायपदानि तत्र तारा इति स्त्रीलिङ्गं शेष नपुंसकं
Very good.
तिङ्गं कोष्णं तीक्ष्णं स्वरं कोष्णम् इति भिन्नपदम् अस्ति तत् कवोष्णं कदुष्णस्य पर्यायपदम्
अस्तु
करं तिङ्गं तीक्ष्णम् अति उष्णस्य पर्यायपदानि
अस्तु धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
anybody okay Sarveshar Sarvesh
Sir,
you want to answer or you want later?
Sir, later, sir.
Okay. Ashok Mahodaya.
Hello, sir. So I will say about Chavi, Duti, Dipti, Rochi. I think Chavi is separate, not the same, meaning the same as Dipti or Duti. Chavi is separate. I feel so. I hope I'm correct. I'm not sure.
Okay. What is the meaning of Chavi, sir?
Chavi is I think it is a shadow. Duti is Dipti Prakash. Ruchi also Prakash.
Rochi it is.
Rochi, yeah, Rochi. I think Chavi is separate in all these four, in my opinion, but I'm not confident. Then second one, Agrahayani, Yamini, Nishitini, Rajini. So Yamini, Nishitini, Rajini are meaning the same as night, but Agrahayani is not night.
Okay, that is correct. Agrahayani is correct. Next. Nisha, Kshapa, Aryama, Raka.
Nisha, Kshapa, Aryama, Raka. Raka. Nisha, Kshapa, Aryama, Raka. I'm not sure. Kshapa is not Nisha, Kshapa, Aryama, Raka. Raka is Chandra. Raka is moon. I think Aryama is separate, not in the family. Aryama is separate. And
Aryama is what?
Aryama is sun, I think.
Sunlight or sun?
Sunlight.
Okay. Next one, Savita, Aryama, Mihika, Tamisraha.
Savita, Aryama, Tamika, Tamisra. I think Tamisra is different compared to the other one. Savita, Aryama, Mihika are coming to sunlight or sun.
Mihika
Tamisra,
what is
Tamisra
Mihika?
is, pardon, sir?
Mihika. Mihika.
Yeah. No, sir, I don't remember the meaning of that.
Mihika is Hima or Himani. So Mihika is the odd word out.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dhanyawada. So one question left out. Two things we have left here. One is this we have Pralayam Mihika Himani Himasamhati. What is the answer? So what happens is Hima Samhatihi is Hima Samuha. So Hima Samhati, whereas Himani Mihika Pralaya is Hima. So maybe that is the odd word out there. Okay. And Chavi Dyuti Deepti Rochi. I will just ask somebody. Meenakshi Vaikalattur. Can you answer?
Hello. Chavi Diti Deepti Rochi. You want other சொல்லணுமா?
தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு?
Chavi Diti Deepti இது மூணு synonyms நினைக்கிறேன். Rochi is the odd word. Is it correct?
Rochi is Kesha Udarva. Rochi means it is a light prabha ityartha. Okay, you are right.
Thank you.
Dhanyawadaha. Next we will go to the next main. Now we have to tell the meaning of these words.
I will try.
So Dhamanidhihi, Kalanidhihi, Jagatchakshuhu, Rohineyaha, Kumbasambhavaha. Some of the words you can try.
Jagatchakshuhu is Suryasya Paryayah. Rohineyaha Balaramasya Namaha. Kumbasambhavaha Agastyasya Namaha.
Very good.
Kalanidhihi Chandrasya.
Kalanidhihi
Chandrama. Sushima, I don't know. Dhamanidhihi is also Suryasya Paryaya.
Dhamanidhi Surya.
Surya.
Okay.
Lohitangaha is Balaramasya, I think.
Lohitangaha. Balaramasya. Lohitangaha is refers to Angaraka Graha.
Oh, Angaraka.
Let us see. Narayana, can you just tell Lohitangaha where it comes?
Angaraka Kuto Bhomo Lohitango Mahesutaha.
Next.
Okay.
So Rohineyo also Angaraka Mahodaya.
Rohineya is also Angaraka because
Angaraka Lohitango.
Rohineya is also for Balarama, both of them?
Yes, it can be both. Rohineyaha. Bala, so Nilambaro, Rohineyah, Talanko, Musali, we have.
Yeah.
Rohineya, Buddha Somyo, Samau, Sauri, Shanaischaro. So
Yeah.
Rohineya can mean Buddha Graha, and it can also mean Balarama. So both.
Then Shaneshwara means Shani Bhagavan's Nama also?
No. That is Rohineya is Buddha only. That's all. That is that line. I am telling that line in Amarakosha. It consists of other grahas also.
Okay.
Dhanyawada. So now we will go to Chitra Bhanu is left out. Pitru Prasuhu, Sinivali, Trayitanaho. So next set of people, 1 minute. I will ask those who want to answer. Chitra Bhagini. Where did Chitra Bhagini go? Chitra's this one is not working, I think. Okay, Daksha.
नमस्कारः महोदय
Chitrabhanu.
चित्रभानुः सन् सूर्यद्युमनिस्तरनिर्मितश्चित्रभानुर्विरोचनः.
What is the meaning?
तद्
Sanna, illaye. Okay, see, Dyumanistarani is Chitrabhanu. Yes. One more meaning is there. What is that? One more meaning is there for Chitrabhanu. Saptarchir.
Saptarchirdamana. Saptarchirdamana.
Saptajihva, Saptaid.
Saptarchirdamuna Shukraha.
Saptarchirdamana Shukraha.
Chitrabhanurvibhavasu.
Chitrabhanurvibhavasu.
Where does it come? Agni. Agni synonyms. Okay.
Okay.
So two places Chitrabhanu comes in two places, which is why it is given. It is Surya also, it is Agni also. Okay, very good. Pitru Prasuhu. Next word.
Pitru Prasuhu.
Venkateshwaran Gopala Pitru Prasuhu. Can you tell?
Twilight.
Yes. So what is the line which we have to remember?
Sir, line.
Prabha. Narayana, what is the line?
Pardon, sir, we didn't understand.
Pitru Prasuhu. Can you tell the line where it comes? Prabhatancha dinante tu.
Prabhatancha dinante tu sayam sandhya pitraprasuh.
Very good. Dhanyawadaha. Now Sinivali. Venkateshwaran Gopala Sinivali. What is Sinivali?
Diwali. Sir, I don't know. Sir.
Sinivali.
Chandrama.
So I if you remember, I showed one picture. So on a Chaturdashi, if you are seeing an Amavasa, it is called as Sinivali. Okay.
That is Krishna Paksha Chaturdasha.
Ama.
Trayitanuhu Suryasya Namah. Trayitanuhu.
Trayitanuhu.
Suryasya Pariyaya.
Okay. Trayitanuhu. Yes, very good. Sarvesh Mahodaya. Go Sargaha. What is Go Sargaha? Gosargaha. Narayana, can you tell Gosargaha?
युष्टं विभागं द्वे क्लीवे पुंसि गोसर्गयुष्यते
So now
प्रभातं
what?
च दि-
Ekanimsham. So what is the meaning of Yushtam Vibhakam Dveklibe Pumsi Gosarga Ishyate? What is the meaning of Gosarga?
morning.
Morning. Pratyusha or morning. Yes. Gosarga means morning. So instead of telling Shubha Suprabhatam, you can tell Sugosargaha. Sugosargaha. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Next is Raka. Raka is not the name of a villain in Hindi movie. So, what is Raka?
Raka is
Varun.
related to Chandrika, I think.
नमस्कारः महोदय
What is Raka, Varun?
the night with almost like a full moon.
Okay.
कलाहीने सानुमतिः पूर्णे
So, okay. Kalahine Sanumati.
सानुमतिः पूर्णे राकानुशाखरे.
Very good. That is the line. Okay. Kshanada.
क्षणदाक्षप
Kshanadakshapa. Where is it coming? What is the meaning? Nisha.
Nisha.
Triyama Kshanadakshapa. It is Ratri. Okay. Now Rupa Sudha Bhagini. Rupa Sudha. Samvartaha Kadyotaha. We have two more words.
Samvartaha vandu destruction of the world. Samvartaha Pralayaha Kalpaha Kayaha.
Samvartaha. Okay.
Samvartaha Kalpa Pralaya Kalpaha Kaya Kalpanta Ityape. Kadyotayaha.
Beautiful.
Kadyotayaha.
Next, Kadyotaha. What is Kadyota?
Kadyotaha. Kadyotaha in the line.
Venkatraman Mahodaya, Kadyota. Surya. What is the line? Beautiful. Kadyotano Dinamanihi, Kadyoto Lokabandhava. This is how we have to study Amarakosha. Very good.
Sir.
Dhanyavadaha. Verana solungo.
Pradyotano Dinamanihi Kadyoto Lokabandhavaha.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
So now Venkatraman Mahodaya, you are on line. Now we continue, go to the next main. Now you have to tell the Prathama Vibhakti of these words. Bhaswat, Vivaswat, Kilbisha, Apidhana, Kalanka, Dwadashatma.
Vivaswan, Surya. Bhaswan also same.
Okay.
Kilbishaha, Papaha ityartha Manye.
Kilbishaha va Kilbishamma.
Kilbisham, sorry.
Kilbisham.
Papa.
Very good. Papa. Okay. Next, Apidhanam.
Apidhanam, Pirodhanam. Apidhanam.
What is the Apidhanam? It will come. So meaning is covering. Apidhanam. Okay. Anyway, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam you have to tell. Kalanka. It is Kalankaha or Kalankam?
I don't recollect, sir. Dwadashatman, but the next one I will tell.
Okay, Dwadashatman, Dwadashatma is the Prathama Vibhakti.
So it is Dwadashatman.
Okay, but it is Prathama Vibhakti form is
Dwadashatma.
okay. Next, Bradna.
I don't recollect that. Rashmihi, the next one is Rashmihi. I'm not sure about the rest, sir.
Okay, very good. Dhanyawada, sir. Thank you very much for answering so many questions. Dyota is, anybody can tell Dyota? Narayana, can you tell the line? Or somebody can tell the line? Dyota. So I will give the hint, Narayana. Rochishocir. So what is Dyota? Dyota is Atapa. Atapa means sunshine. Okay, Dyota is sunshine. Bradna, what is Bradna and Kalanka? We have to tell the first Prathama Vibhakti form. Bradnaha is Suryaha. Very good. Bradnaha, Suryaha, Pullingaha. Then we have one more word left, which is Gabasti. So what is the first Prathama Vibhakti form? Gabastihi. So Gabastihi, Gabasti, Gabastaya. Kiranaha. It means race. Okay. So we will get into the next set of words. I will ask others now. So we have to tell the linga of these words. Okay, that is the question. Only the linga has to be told. Now Venkateshwaran and Amit will go for Amit Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Can you tell the linga of these words?
प्रयासं कर्तुं शक्नोमि महोदय अहं विलम्बेन कक्षा दर्श पुंलिङ्ग अस्ति दर्शः
Okay, what is the meaning of darshaha?
अमावस्या भवति.
Yes, amavasya is darsha. Very good, very good, very good. What is lakshma?
लक्ष्मः चिह्नं भवति.
Chinnam lakshmacha lakshanam. Yes, chinnam. Very good. So what is the linga? Which linga it is?
पुंलिङ्ग अस्ति
Napumsakalinga. Lakshma, Lakshmani, Lakshma is Napumsakalinga. Lakshma, Lakshmani, Lakshmani. Okay.
घृणिः पुंलिङ्ग अस्ति.
Grinihi va? Grinihi, what is the meaning?
सूर्यः भवति.
Grini, Surya, Adityo, Naprabhava, Taksharam. Yes. Grinihi. So which it is Pullinga, right?
हाँ इकारान्त पुंलिङ्गः भवति.
Astu. But Grini Surya, Grini is actually Surya or see when in Amarakosha Kiran. So Narayana, can you tell that line? Kiranostra. So Gabasti Grinirashmaya, which means Grini is Kirana. Okay. It is Pullinga. It is Pullinga. Okay, thank you. Dhanyawadaha. Ushanaha, you can tell Ushanaha.
Usanaha शुक्रः भवति
Yes.
तमिस्रा अन्धकारः
तमिस्रा अंधकार. Okay. तमिस्रः अंधकार नाश. तमिस्रः अस्ति.
तमिस्रः आं महोदय
तमिस्रः किम् अस्ति?
तमिस्रः अन्धकार
So what is the meaning?
Surya.
Surya. Yes, it is Surya. Tamisraha is Surya. Dhanyavada. Very good. Very good. Dhanyavada. Now I will ask somebody else. Radhika Mata. Radhika Mata, she is logged into two systems. Okay. Pratibha Bhagini.
Mahodaya.
Diditi, Rochi, Madhu, Pampa. Linga.
Lingam.
Strilingam. Okay. Now, Diditi
Bhanu
is what is the meaning
Bhanu
of Diditi? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of Diditi?
Sunlight, sun rays.
Na kiranaha. So Rochihi.
Rochihi is also, I think, sunlight.
Rochish.
Rochish, Shochi, Rubhe, Klibe.
Yes, it is sunlight. Okay, very good. Madhu. Last two words.
Papma is Pullinga.
Madhu. Now, what is happening is there are two Madhus. 2 or 3 Madhus are there.
I'm not able to recollect Madhu.
What we have studied is in Kalavarga. Okay. Narayana, can you tell Phalguni? What is the meaning of Madhu Masa? Madhu Masa, they tell, no? So which is that?
I think spring.
Syatapasya Phalgunikah.
Syatapasya Phalgunikasya Chaitriko Madhu.
Chaitriko Madhu. So Madhu represents Chaitra Masa. Madhu represents Chaitra Masa. Actually, in Kannada they use Madhu Masa. They use in Kannada. In Kannada,
yes,
the Kannada Bhasha they use in some movie also. It has come, Rajkumar movie or something. Madhu Masa. Okay, the olden days movies nowadays nobody is seeing because they have forgotten. Papa, next one, last word.
I think it's Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. So Papman Shabda. But you see here Astri Pankam Puman Papma.
Papma.
So
Puman.
So it means Pullinga it is.
Pullingam.
See,
yes.
Already by the meaning, if you go by the meaning, we will do it as Napumsakalinga. But Astri Pankam Puman Papma is the line in Amarakosha. Just to give us that this one. Okay. We have another 3 mains to discuss here, which we will do probably next class. We can do these exercises. I think we can finish in the next class the 3rd exercise. Sandhi Samasa we are not discussing anyway. Okay. Dhanyavadaha for everybody for participating. We have one more class of these exercises to be done. Afterwards, I have to prepare some more exercises. I will load these exercises after this one into the course page for you to go through these exercises and answer for yourself along with the keywords. So I have discussed it. So if you write and send it, it is good for you. but I have to the extent you can practice for yourself. This is just to revise. See, many times I myself are unable to having practiced Amarakosha for so many things. Suddenly Go Sargaha, I couldn't remember what is Go Sarga. So it took for me, it took a lot of time for me to understand what it is. So it is our Avritti that is very important. We have to keep on. First is one is to go in the order and to just recite the Amarakosha, which is not the end goal, because the end goal, that is only a half goal, but that is required for us to remember. Once we come to the line, we will be able to tell the meaning and we'll be able to tell this one. So first is we have to come to the line. So these are some of the things. We will discuss this further in next 2 classes. Today is Wednesday. We have 2 more days. By 2 more days, we will discuss some certain key things. Okay. Dhanyavadah. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena